Journey of 1,000 miles begin with the small step of courage. She has no God walking with her, no brother watching over her. She does not believe in fairy tale stories with happily ever after ending. She wouldn't acknowledge in the least what you have her believe. She has her willpower and desire. When properly combined, move on irresistibly power. My name is Shalini Sharma and I am from Dehradun, the capital city of Uttarakhand, also known as the abode of Drona. I am currently residing in Delhi, working as a corporate relationship manager. I have completed my higher education degree in Masters of Computer Application from Vanasli Vidyapeeth, Rajasthan, and have an experience of 7 years in corporate as software engineer and 4 years as an educator. I like to express myself through art, and so dancing and painting are a very important part of my life. Dancing has helped me to express myself in the most magical way possible, whereas painting helps me in relaxing and also enhancing my focus. Apart from dancing and painting, I have a keen interest in sports such as swimming, tennis, and basketball, which I have played at many levels. Being an adventure-loving person, I have my heart to motorbiking and traveling. I have always looked forward to exploring unseen places, mountain trails, and camping under sky glazing at stars, as it gives me a unique blood rush and I enjoy the sense of freedom. Being an eldest daughter of the family, the journey was never easy, as I lost my mother at a very young age and later my father. In just few years, my world turned upside down, as I have faced the challenges which I was not ready for. And then I realized I have to fight my own battle. I got married at a very early age at 21, when I had not even finished my post-graduation. And unlike most, I was not lucky there too. I took divorce after 10 years of my marriage, which was full of abuse and disloyalty. And I wanted to live my life happily and peacefully. So without any regret, I am separated and living my life with a lot of dreams to achieve. Keeping one thing in mind, that no one is going to make my dreams come true for me. It is only me who has to take the journey rather than just sitting and wishing. One of the small steps towards achieving those dreams is to participate in Diadem Mrs. India Legacy 2021. I have always believed that feminism is not about making women strong. Women are already strong. It is about changing the way world perceives that strength. So, if you want to wear something well, wear your confidence and work towards your dream. There is no limit to what a woman can accomplish. And the source of this belief is my mother, who was an amazing, strong lady, and my younger sister, who has always been on my side in my best and worst. In the end, I would just like to say that I am very excited and full of confidence and energy to start another exciting adventure in my life.